Hey guys, Susi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you making of a doll, most commonly said as African doll using newspaper stick. You must have seen many videos like this, probably in the same YouTube platform, and will have a thought like, what's new in this video by Susi? By the way, I too had the same thought. When I tried making my first doll, I faced more complications which pushed me to create another doll in an easier way. And that's the reason for me creating this video. The difficulties which I faced was when I created her dress part. So in this video, I tried my best to create her dress in an easier way. So enjoy watching till end, it's so colorful. And to the main part, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and also kindly press the bell icon to see more such videos. For some fun part, I also created a small basket using the leftover stick pieces from the sticks which I created her dress. I used blue color for her dress. The reason is, actually there should not be any reason for this, but still I would like to say why I choose this color. For the previous doll, which you can see in the left side of the screen, I colored her entirely with yellow family colors. And so I thought of giving this doll with blue family colors. this should have been fun and maybe a useful video for some people. If you were a person who struggled making this at first like me, then you would have got some idea from my video. Or if you are a person watching this type of doll for the first time, then it should be a fun craft to spend time. And I'm sure that this will be a very beautiful room decor item. See you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.